Do I have water? I do. I got a full tank, dude. Hello, hello. What's up, dudes and dudettes? Hmm. 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 Oh, new song? Hold up. Haul up, dude. Oh, let me mute my desktop so I can listen to music. What's up, everyone? How's everyone doing? Anyone catch the short at the top? Anyone catching this pump? Anyone catch the pump in the morning? What the fuck's happening? I just woke up. I'm gonna be working on some stuff while we're talking, so excuse me if I don't see all of the comments. What is that? What is that emoji? Is it a fucking brick? Okay. So let's see. Binta is installed. Almost there. Things are working, just not everything. Got the pump at the open and done. Nice. Your mom caught my pump this morning. You know what, bro? Ban this guy. Why is this guy an admin? This guy has mom jokes, bro. What am I, 5? How's life, Alejandro? How's New York? Do you have an accent? You have an accent. I'm almost positive you do. Talk like you have an accent. You type like you have an accent. Guy has New York accent in his typing. Uh, cannot have a number of splits greater than 5. Okay. Splits. It's not greater than 5. It's 1 and 0. Motherfucker. Alright, hold on, hold on, hold on. Um, oh, here it is. Default splits 5. It. Nah, I was born in Bronx, but lived in NC, Cali, and Germany because military life growing up. Oh man, so this guy's got three accents. What the hell? He made his own accent. Can you show me how to use the dashboard to swing? Yeah, so basically. Oh shit, wait, is this the. Oh hell no, this isn't ready yet. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. I gotta tell Mitchell to fucking get rid of that shit. 1 second. That shit wasn't ready yet. Alright, if you guys are seeing this, it's not supposed to be here. This isn't fully done. That's a whoopsies moment. But anyways, to swing, you're gonna choose the date frame that you want to swing, right? If we're swinging for Friday, so we're doing like a 1 to 2 day swing, you're gonna want to buy contracts that expire next Monday, first off. Um, Automatically here, let's just say, right, that we want to go long, because it looks like we want to go long. And it looks like 5200 is going to be the key gex point or the magnet for this swing. And the skew is positive for the moment, or for the time being. So, if you were to enter a swing, you might want to enter um, the 5190s or the 5185s. And then what you might want to do is also pull out this bad boy right here, Lambda. Now what Lambda is it shows you the highest strike, or the strike that's either already appreciating in value or that's most likely to appreciate in value. So oh boy, what the fuck? Okay, there we go. So 50, 5200. So the 5190 is probably the most probable to increase in value by the time of the swing, right? As this, or actually the 5200 really, but you're betting for the contract to go in the money typically. If you wanted to take the trade without the idea of the contract going in the money, you could take the 5200, but I always go with the idea or with the intent that my contract's going to go in the money. So I always take like something that's going to be $10 in the money as opposed to at the time of the take profit, I guess. But um the 5200 will probably appreciate a value the most here. That was helpful. I don't know why I always thought you needed to look back at the historical data. Historical data helps for sure, but it's not something that you absolutely need. It just kind of helps with number one, back testing. Like I would like to have historical data to start back testing some of the strategies we have. Um, but uh, what's the thing people say? Past performance isn't indicative of future performance. So yeah, that's kind of what I keep in mind. But anyways, yeah, I don't really keep Lambda on here all the time, but if you want to see how fast contracts are going to probably appreciate in value, that's a way to look at it. I just keep it like that. Um, but yeah, that's how I would look at swings. The Bronx Zoo was my childhood. All right. Um, I'm in a couple of swings myself, but They're only up like 3%, 3.5. Nothing crazy. Ugh. Okay, I gotta figure out why this shit isn't working with me, man. So, oh, hold on, I think I know why. Shit, where is it? Here. Cannot have number of splits. N splits 0 greater than the number of samples. N samples 1. Okay. Now where's the number of splits at? No, not here. Oh my freaking gosh, dude. Can we get much higher? So high. Hold on. Where's the inputs at? Oh, what if I changed it to... I gotta change the dating to also 24. What's the date today? 5/8. Um, so this would be also 0508, and this is 24, and then we'll change this to spy, and then run it. And the splits are still an issue, but we can change that here. Test, train test split 1, 0.2. Holy shit, pumper. Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. Bro, I need new t-shirts. I need to buy some Hanes t-shirts. Where the fuck my Hanes shirts at? Um, he responds well to snacks. True. I smoke a fucking blunt. Also any updates on that SRP thing you shared last week? Getting whacked this week and need some hand holding, but making sure. Yeah, so I have a couple of things I'm working on right now here. Like if I can, holy shit, that screen's massive. I'm actually working on it right now. So I got some shit right here. And then, I got some other shit. So hold up. Let me fucking save. As you can see, Uh, I have about one, two, three, four, five different algorithms right now that I'm working on. And for some reason, this one isn't working with me. But yeah, I have some stuff that I'm working on. Again, I gotta like test this shit before I send it out to you guys, because if I don't test it and I just send it out because it worked one day and then it doesn't work the rest of the days, everyone's gonna hate me. So it takes time. But I got some good results. I tested the last 18 months, and it had 87.6% win ratio, and whatever else percent that is in loss. So, pretty good. I have the stats right here. Hold on. Oh, I sent the stats to someone last night, but here, let me see if I can find it. Um, Typically, I'm probably going to be using it on a different setting where it's 70% accurate and 30% loss. But um, this is like the fucking stats right here. But I don't know why that opened like that. But we'll see what happens. I don't know. I still got a fucking 18 months of testing, and it basically only took 52 trades. Um, which isn't a lot, right? 52 trades divided by 18 is, or I think it was 57 trades divided by 18. Is like 3 trades a month. You know what I mean? 3 trades a month, but 87.6% of those trades caught like 20 points plus, I think, is how it works. So, um, you know, it it doesn't send that many signals, but the signals it does send work well and can change your portfolio within one signal, right? And that's kind of the idea. So, um, now if I were to change the settings a little bit, it would start catching 80-point moves, right? On average, on average. Not every single trade is going to be an 80-point move. Average is an important keyword here, right? So, um, now think of it, right? You're trading an option for 80 points. How much can you make off of that? You know what I mean? So like, and now it's only 70%. Uh, you know, on average, the winners are you're going to win 7 out of 10 times basically. With that variation of it. So I need to get that percentage up a little bit more before I feel comfortable sending it out, or get the points collected down more so the percent can go up. It's kind of like a balancing issue. I think 87.6% is more than enough in win loss ratio wise, and then 20 points per trade on average is like pretty decent. I think you can catch a lot of or make a lot of money with that. Um, but let's see, 5160 or 5200. Where are we going? Shit, it looks like 5200. I'm not fucking going anywhere though. When are you gonna release it? No clue yet. Still, like I said, wanting to get the measurements right, and I'm working on it literally as we speak. Every stream, I'm kind of like working on it a little bit more, and then after stream, like I'm working on it until like the sun goes away. So, um, yeah, I'm working on it for sure, brother. Uh, how do you read the unusual options data on SPX SPY? Is the dollar value total on the day or the current time? You talking about? Oh shit, whoops. Talking about this thing? The calls versus puts? Is that what you're talking about? Or are you talking about the dollar amount on gamma exposure? Please clarify, and I will answer. Uh, What is the average win and average loss on the 70% win rate strategy? Like the average points collected, or the average? Because the you just kind of said it in your sentence there. It's a 70% win rate. Um, the points collected though is about 80 points per trade on average. Um, for the 70% win rate strategy. Um, and then the higher win rate one is a smaller amount of points. It's like 20 or so on average. Um, yes, first. Okay. So basically the puts and calls is of that day, on that day. So, yes. This is all today, to my knowledge. Now, I don't really use unusual options all that much, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Mm-mm-mm-mm. What I would like to do though is currently on that unusual options thing, if you filter it out, it still shows the total amount. It doesn't change it based on the filter. So that's something I want to change. Ah, so line that SPX data to ES and send it no full port. Uh, what? No one's full porting here, brother. And what about the dollar by gamma? So this is the amount of delta that needs to be hedged per 1% move in the underlying price. So if SPX moves up or down 1%, that's how much is going to be hedged, essentially. Potentially a super dummy question. How do you get the small windows with the live prices? There was a minus 95k footprint last 15 minutes. Would that be significant? Yeah, actually. Before the sell-off yesterday, there was a minus 30k, which was big. So, yeah, I would say so. Um, okay, thank you. If the unusual options dollar value could change based on current open positions, puts versus calls, that would be fire. Uh, yeah, so the thing is you can't really tell when a position's going to close, right? That's the only issue. So, you wouldn't be able to change it based on that. Now, I don't think anyone can tell aside from the actual broker transaction where someone's closing out a position. Otherwise, we would have incredibly accurate OI, open interest. But unfortunately, normal open interest on your broker can only tell you what's bought. It can't tell you what's sold. That's why we use DDOI and a specific formula to show what's sold versus what's bought. But yeah. I'm listening to Judas Priest right now. Breaking the law, breaking the law, breaking the law. Oh no. 5180 going to break, going 5180 break going down then. Uh, I don't know. I'm not really. I'm just kind of coding right now, so I can't fucking. Not really doing much. Um, but I don't know. I'm thinking long, honestly. Personally, don't take it for. Don't. I wouldn't take a position based on what I'm saying at all. Ever. But that's just what I'm looking at. Footprint is this. thing. So you can change the time frame. Shit. I don't really use it all that often though. Like I said, I kind of stick to the exposure stuff. Just how I trade though. Doesn't have to be how you trade. Yeah, it's not really about being afraid to send out callouts. It's mostly just that's not what we're here to do, you know? We're kind of here to teach you guys rather than, you know, like we want to teach you guys how to be profitable traders. We don't want to we don't want you guys to be dependent on us sending you signals. Otherwise, we might as well just open a signal Discord, you know what I mean? And those are kind of inefficient in terms of teaching people, in my opinion. So, uh, the whole point is to learn, build a strategy, and make a career out of trading. You can't really make a career out of trading if you're following someone else, you know? You know, actually, I feel kind of lucky that I never had social media. I never had social media, and therefore I was never, I never fell under that impression of, yo, join my Signal Discord, because I never got ads or anything, right? Like, I legit had no connection to the outside world aside from my friends. The first Signal Discord I ever heard of was from Sheen, and he had to tell me what it was and what they are, and I was trading long before I met Sheen, so. I kind of learned how to trade completely on my own without the help of anything else, anyone or anything else. And I feel like that was the best thing for me. Uh, but yeah. First off, now there is a small difference though between um there is a small difference between signaling for people and building tools that show you what to take, right? Um, Now there's going to be fine print, of course, similar to what Apex AI says, where this is not God, and I'm going to have documents every time or when you log in for the first time on all of its performance records and shit. And then so you guys are aware of the performance of the algorithm that we're sending to you guys and stuff like that. So, uh, how long did it take you to get profitable? I was never unprofitable, but I had a very like I guess boring strategy. I would trade spreads all the time. It's really hard to lose on spreads, especially if you're just looking at ranges, right? The whole time. I kind of started out using linear regression channels. Um, and then I would just play options. I initially started trading stock, right? Because I never really wanted to lose. That was kind of my goal, right? My goal was like, as long as I never lose, I'll always be profitable. Um, so with shares and only dealing with index shares more specifically, it was kind of easy to uh make profits, I guess. And then I switched to options when I realized they were highly leveraged products. And then I started using spreads on like credit spreads, debit spreads initially, then directional spreads, and then like some of the more complex stuff. And then not until like I already had quite a bit of money did I start getting into naked options. and I've never had the personality where like I'm gonna fucking full port YOLO this shit into one naked option. I've never ever had that type of personality. I know some people do, and I think those people are really bad in an actual casino. They do either really bad or really well in an actual casino. But yeah, I never really had that type of personality, so it was always like for example, if I was trading like 250 grand or something, I would only put like fucking $1,000 into a naked option. But then sometimes that $1,000 would turn into like 17K or something like that, crazy. Especially during the fucking craziest bull run we've ever seen known to man, right? In 2021. That shit, you could have took calls at any point in time and would have been 90% right. Um, so it's pretty easy. But um, yeah. So I never like I don't know. I guess I'm just not like a greedy person. Maybe that's why, and that's where it all stems from. I don't really care how much money I make, as long as it's money made. Um, so uh, um, have you ever thought of doing seminars in person to teach this stuff? No, not really. I always think of it like if I'm doing well for myself, I can kind of share it through products, you know? Like I could fucking this is exactly what I use. You can use it too, type of shit, you know? Um, I you know, I would I kind of I don't know. I don't think I'm a good teacher either. I think I'm pretty impatient when it comes to teaching, and if someone doesn't get it the first time, which honestly is 90% of people, I end up getting like frustrated, and then I just fucking leave. So, I don't think I'm a very good teacher. Um, but yeah, I don't really I don't think I have a plan on like making like maybe like a small um teaching session for like a week or 2 weeks long, but it's not going to be anything crazy in my opinion. It's not going to be like damn, this shit solved all of my trading issues. It's just going to kind of shed some light on different things you can utilize to trade with. Um what is your level on SPX for entering a trade intraday? Like my level for today specifically? Um 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 I don't really have a actually hold on. Let me open up the algo. 1 second. Save. Close. Uh, no, this is the wrong one. Hold on. Close project and Z score and run. Um. Mm, 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 mm. I got a little bit before I take a trade. Um, I'm not really trading based on levels. I'm trading based on a couple of other indicators that I'm fucking working on. Basically, I'm gonna post it in Discord. This number, this number. Now, if you're in the Discord, take a look now. This number needs to turn into a -2. The zero needs to turn into a -2, and then I'll take a trade. So that's kind of how I trade. This is a good way to share. You've been doing great, man. Thank you, man. We need a Geo AI to answer all our questions. That's what the Apex AI was supposed to be. You guys can ask it questions. And it's like built on the knowledge base that I gave it. But I posted a number in the Discord. It's like a -0 point something something. Um, once that number turns into a -2 point, 2 point. 15, 2.15 specifically, I'll start looking to take a long. The heck is that? It's a number, man. It's a decimal. Or if that number hits a positive 2.0. I posted it in main trade chat in the Discord. Right here, dude. Right here. Um. Good songs. Winners in Paris by Sleepy Hollow. Banger. I told you about it, Ape. Oh, true. It just kind of showed up one day. You talking about the total net? The billion? Nah, I'm talking about a specific number that I'm making in a line of code right now that it spits out, and based on that number, I make a trade. Um, this number right here, I'll move the screen over. This one. See that number? This turns into a negative 2.15, and we're good. And it's not. It hasn't yet. Now, I don't know why I keep getting this error code, but it's fucking pissing me off right now. Basically, how it works though, if you're curious, is how did you get that number? Alright, so basically, um, alright, let's move up here. Actually, let's go here and then make some drawing space, yeah? Alright, so, oh, let's get into it, shall we? Okay, hold on. Stretch out. Alright, so we have a distribution curve, right? Oh shit, that's a shitty one. We have a distribution curve, right? Now, this distribution curve is on based on a set of data, right? Within the distribution curve that I will not name because it is proprietary. Now, set of data, right? Uh, how do we differentiate percentages based on this set of data? So, we have a y-axis, I mean an x-axis, and now we can divide it utilizing a z-score. So we take all of the set of data within this distribution, we plug it into a function that gets us a z-score, right? Now said z-score gives us points at which price is within a certain standard distribution, right? So we have We have the fucking mean. We have and then we have like, so this would be standard deviation 0, right? And then this would be standard deviation 1, and then this would be standard deviation 2, and then we have -1 and then -2. Right? Now, what that number is telling me is when it reaches -2.15 or something, we're going to be within this standard deviation, which is closest to reverting to the middle or the mean. Now, vice versa, if that +2 becomes I don't remember the actual number, but I think it was 2.0 something. Now then we're within this standard deviation, the second standard deviation, which also may revert back to here. Now, reason why I'm using the second standard deviation is because it has a 95, our data within that is 95% of the entire data set. Now you could go for a third standard deviation, but uh, chances that we hit a third standard deviation are slim. Typically, it starts to revert around the second, so that's what it's based off of. Now, if you want to read into that more, be my guest. But if you already don't understand it, just wait for it to come out. Kind of VWAP, not really. VWAP is based on isn't it based on volume or something? Yeah, yeah, volume weighted something something. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. No, definitely not VWAP. Mm, 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 mm. Does this number indicate whether you're going short or long, or is this just strictly when it is perfect time to enter a trade? No, it tells you basically short or long based on if it's a negative or a positive number. Because remember, like, think of it like a standard deviation but flipped on its or yeah, on its y-axis, right? So like this, right? And the negative integer is right here, and then the positive one is up here. Now this is price action, right? Now we reach that -2, go long. Boom. Fucking we reach the +2, go short. That's it. That's basically how it works. That's the new data you're working on right now? Yeah, it is. Nice. Okay. Now if I can figure out why. I understand it totally after you showed the bell curve. Thank you, sir. Let's go, dude. Let's go. I think it's still 5200, the price magnet. Yeah, this one right here. Actually, wait, I'm on fucking the wrong time frame. Interesting. I would still aim for 5200 in my opinion, but that's 2 DTE. Ah, fuck, my nose, my neck. Hold up, I'll be right back. I got a candle on. I gotta go shut it off. I'll be back. I'm back. All right. God damn, son. All right. What was the questions? Um, are we in a negative or positive gamma now? We're in a positive, technically, slightly positive. So be it. We keep slipping back and forth between positive and negative. I wouldn't trade this. Actually, I'm dying. It looks like they're kind of defending the 0 point. We might actually rip. Not gonna lie. We'll see what happens though. Gio, what's the name of that indicator with the SPX line converter? I don't really know, but someone posted it in Discord. If you check the main chat, I think they linked it too. So it's just there recently, like the last 5 minutes. Just chop between negative 3 billion and positive 3 billion goes sideways. Yeah, pretty much. There's like a weird thing that happens though that I've noticed recently. If we've had like 2 positive days and then well, actually it happens intraday, right? If we slip between a positive to a negative day, it often gets defended. So, uh, 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 um, it's kind of interesting how that works. Oh, hey, look at that. Oh, would you look at that? So high. No problem, no problem. Bell curve explanation. It's all about perspective. Perspective, brother. Now I gotta figure this shit out, guys. Why isn't this shit running? Cannot have number of splits n underscore splits equals 5 greater than the number of samples n underscore samples 0. Ah. They don't even have numbers on them, bro. What do you mean? Returns of numbers of splitting iterations of the cross validator. Maybe it's on line 928. Or mez this or mez that. Alright, guys, name your dumbest purchase right now. What's your dumbest purchase you've ever made? I bought pants one time. Pants suck. A lot of people know my pants story. Oh, okay. Elon Musk doll. Elon Musk doll? What the fuck? $3,000 trading course when I was 15. Nice. The infamous Prius pants. Worth though. Nah, bro. The Prius pants go crazy. Money spent on X. Nice. I love all of these. They make me feel better about my pants purchase. The MCAT prep that told me to study from a prep book. I was about to say the Elon Musk doll. It better not be a blow up doll. It better not be what I'm thinking. It better not be what what I'm thinking about. Hmm. All right, hold on. I gotta let me Google search this error, as one does. Oh. Okay. The way I'm driving this Wraith, they about to put me on suicide watch. Mm, 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 mm. My big brother, like Marshawn Lynch, he'll run through somebody. Mm, 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 mm. Sports gambling whooped my ass for a while. I wish I would have made a dumb purchase. Sports gambling will do that, man. I can honestly say I've never been crazy. Like, I've played sports and think I was pretty decent at them, but I've never ever, like, cared about watching sports, I guess. Maybe because the only person I've ever wanted to be was me. Ooh, that's a bar. I don't know. I never really cared about watching sports, really. I like UFC. UFC's fun to watch, though. Those motherfuckers kill each other. Maybe that's a red flag. Mm, my back hurts. Ah. Fuck. Um. Whatever. I'll figure this shit out off stream, I guess. Fucking tired. What about this one? Do I even have fucking code written here? No, I don't. Oh shit, I do. What the fuck? What is this? What are you? Oh no, there's nothing here. Never mind. I think I made this with high hopes that I eventually was gonna get to it. Yikes. Nice try, Gio. Nice try. Hold on, let me try running something real quick. Did it work? Okay, so hold on. Not what I want, bitch. Hold on. So I'm looking for 518.41. Like right here. Like right here. Oh fuck, hold on. Let me just fucking switch the spy. Forget this. 18.41 to take a trade. Right here. Or 514.55. 514.55. These two levels are where I want to take a trade, basically. Yeah? Can we agree? Long? Short? Can we agree? Here, I'll put a down arrow here for short. Short this bitch. And I'll put an up arrow for green for long this bitch. Yeah? Freaking the law. Those are your levels for today. Those arrows are wrong. I only buy tops and sell bottoms. I am a bottom. Think. Add a happy face emoji. Shit. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna enter a trade right now. Um. Where's my fucking broker? Alright, I took a little gamble. A little gamble, just a little gamble. Oh, up 35%? What the fuck? Alright, I'm gonna let these ride. Fuck it. Uh, are you leaning like you're using a needle? Do you party? Hell yeah. I fucking love juice, dude. Banger. You don't show love. Don't you show. There bond auction right now? Ten-year, nice. Bum bum ba da 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 dum. Bum 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 ba da da no no no. Come on, baby, give it to me. Mm. When are you guys planning to release that new data? So we kind of just released new stuff. Honestly, I think these levels are pretty good, but I have to I gotta think about that. I gotta think about when to release it. The thing is, right, is if it's wrong even one time, One time. 90% of you guys that say you want it now are going to crucify me later if it's wrong one time. Even if it's wrong a couple times. I'm going to get crucified for it. So that's what I'm trying to avoid. I need it to be as accurate as possible. Mm-mm-mm-mm. What trade are you in? I'm in puts right now, currently. Just a little fucking little itch, you know? Think chop until power hour? Possibly. Um, I don't know. I'm in puts because I want a move down. That's what I want. Will I get it? I don't know. I feel like there's gonna be some type of end of the day move, but we'll see. Um, it could be at 95% accurate, and folks will bail if it goes red. Got to be able to stomach it and break. Yeah, I know. I mean, that's kind of part of the reason where I'm like, do I even release it or do I just fucking trade it myself? Cause I mean, it takes some sort of like, brain power to be like, oh shit, it's saying long, but does it look good for a long? Hmm. And if you're just taking it for fucking gospel, then it probably won't work out. Um, but yeah, man, I don't know. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Come on, bro. Give me one big fucking Bitcoin type candle. Yeah, to fucking Middle Earth. If you want testers, send it, bro. I'm down. I'm down. Maybe I'll put it as like a trial run or some shit. Like for for Traderlink. I'm gonna make you guys sign a fuck ton of documents just so you know. There's gonna be a fuck ton of documents. That is literally gonna be like so I don't hear any complaining. I want zero complaining out of this. You have some Bitcoin? I have Bitcoin. I'm talking about the candles, the type of candles you see on Bitcoin. Like, you know, I want to see those right now. I want to see one fucking Bitcoin like candle to fucking Middle Earth. I signed that shit, no problem. Hell yeah. See, these are the people I fucking love. Then there's the fucking people that are like, yo, dude, I'm down 2% on my $2,000 port. What are you gonna do about this, big guy? Fucking right here. Yeah, on the fucking document, if you complain at all, banned instantly, forever from the fucking, just from that point, that fucking algo. Don't worry, Captain. We know from SAO as beta testers you can protect this. Oh my god. Bro, I didn't even realize that anime is still going. Or maybe it stopped now, but that shit went for a while. Okay, baby, let's go. They complain, take their soul. I hold to minus 99. Send it. I'll test that shit. Nice. Okay, let's go. Hold up. I'm up 5%, baby. I'm up 10% on my swings. Can it get much higher? So high. Oh, 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 oh. I mean, for example, if this algo made you a millionaire, how much would you pay to maintain become staying a millionaire? You know what I mean? Now that's the problem I'm trying to solve. I want this algo to be like your light bill. Like, yo, I need that shit. I need that shit on at all times. I need that shit to be like your fucking water, power, gas bill, all of that. Your fucking Netflix subscription. Actually, Netflix is kind of like whatever now. When they first came out, they were like, "Damn, I need that shit." But if it made me a millionaire, I would give you 50% of my profits, no questions asked. So, I mean, not that I would need it, but honestly, I think we're in a pretty good position, right? Like, we're not making any profit, but fucking, at least we're not fucking paying out of hand for the data. That's what I'm kind of, that's like the race, I guess, right? Because CBOE subscription, kind of up there. Hurry up and sell this shit, bro. Just give me what I want. Give me it now. Can we get much higher? So high. I'd send you some soybeans, which I would have traded with that soybean. Soy trading. Can we get much higher? So high. Actually, these levels seem to be working pretty well historically. Interesting. Very interesting. I don't know. Come on, bro. Yeah, I think the bond auction's over. Bond auction was like right here. When is Apex AI back? I don't know. I know Mitchell's working on it right now. My boy's hard at work. Um, so it's probably not gonna be back up today. I'd be. I mean, there is a possibility it will be, but I highly doubt it'll be up. It won't be up till probably tomorrow. Ooh, fuck my neck. Ah. Um. What was I gonna do? Oh, I was looking at Sig Tech products, platform, SDK, Sig Tech AI. I think I need SDK. Backtest in minutes, not months. Python SDK. Yes, daddy. Give me that shit. Hmm. Ultimate flexibility integrated into any system. APIs. Oh, baby, a triple. Let's fucking go. Actually, let me go to their platform. Um, obsessively precise trade simulations, commodities, futures, volatility products, bond futures, interest rate futures, and forex. Give me that shit, man. Oh, I heard that click. Are you still using the OK Guys volume profile indicator? Can you post the settings, please? Yeah, I got you. Hold on. These are the settings if you wanna let me know when you got it, and then I'll scroll down. Have you ever traded commodities like cocoa corn? Yeah, I've traded commodities before. Do I like it? Fuck no. I feel naked without Apex AI. Honestly, I didn't know that people actually used it that much. I didn't know people used Apex AI like that. That's kind of cool to know. Cause honestly, like when it first came out, there's a lot of love about it. But then there's also equal amount of hate. People just fucking want to see it fail. So this next iteration of it, I'm gonna make sure it's literally impossible to fucking be like that shit sucks. It's literally impossible to, say that it's wrong. These are the settings too down here. Notice that the only thing checked is volume profile. We got fixed range. I set it to 100 look back. I changed it from 700. I used to have it at 700. I did 100 because I was looking at like hourly candles, I think. Number of rows 250, and then horizontal offset -10. And then that's about it. Oh hell yeah, sell that shit, baby. Sell that shit. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh hell yeah. Oh hell yeah. Hold on, I'm getting ready to sell. Actually, no, fuck it, I'm holding this shit. Gargantuan sized nuts on this one. I don't even give a fuck. I don't give a flip. Mm, 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 mm. Hell yeah, baby. We need AI to help us because we can't properly read the data sometimes. Yeah, that's kind of its largest purpose, right? Is to interpret the data for you guys, which I think people completely missed, right? General public completely missed that. It's just really a reader, right? For the people that can't read it. It's not like fucking Apex AI or Apex magnet's always gonna hit. It's fucking Apex. That's the fucking magnet. That's just what it says on the data. Will it hit? Will it not? I have no fucking clue. Yeah, alright. That's the fucking feedback I need, brother. You guys need to be more vocal about these good things. Fucking the only vocal people are the people with opinions of bad shit. Vix options. What the fuck? You need my email? Yes, I accept. Bruh. Let me click. Fresh. Please enter your work email address. Oh fuck. Whoopsies. Dude, my head is so itchy right now. Equities risk premium. No. Intraday futures, no. VIX options, no. Actually, yes. Oh shit, am I fucking running this bitch down? Breaking the law. Breaking the law. Breaking the law. Alright, up 10% on these bad boys. Bruh, every time I try to fill, this shit gets bidded back up. Oh my god. Whatever. What the freak ever, dude. Nice. That was a good play. Apex AI helps so much. Thank you guys for all the hard work. No problem, brother. No problem. Did you make the AI yourself from ground up, or do you use a third-party program? We made it from the ground up, utilizing the data that we already provide. So it's really just the thing with using third-party shit, right, is you can't really use third-party shit because we're our own data providers. All the data that we get from now, okay, let me fucking clear some things up, right? Everyone thinks that different data providers like fucking, Flow Algo, Whales, et cetera, et cetera. There's fucking a ton of different distributors out there, right? Everyone thinks that we all get our data from the same place, so the data is all the same. Not true. Um, People clean their data differently, right? So, people cleaning their data changes the outcome of what that data is going to display. You clean your data differently from another provider. You plug in your data differently into different formulas. You're going to get completely different answers. So, in order to basically AI is based on our own data, and it's gonna be basically it's different from how other people quantify data, I guess. But yeah, it was made from the ground up. What do you search for your volume profile indicator? It's our own volume profile indicator. We made it a while back when we used to have a signal service. Um, it's in our Discord somewhere if you look it up. It's called like OK guys or something as a fucking joke. Just joined. What's your target for SPX Geo? I don't really have a target. I was just in puts at the top there. I sold out for like 30%. Um, I didn't signal it because it was really just a fucking YOLO play. Um, I think I have like one contract left, and I'm just gonna let it expire out of the money or in the money, whatever happens. XSP is banger after banger. Thanks for the suggestion. No problem. Yeah, XSP is awesome. All right, someone link the volume profile indicator. Wait, today's Wednesday. I gotta hit the gym soon. If we get to this lower bound here before close, which I don't think we will, but when we do, I'm probably gonna start swinging some shit. Um, oh, it's pinned in chat. Nice. Possible to break 70-80 in your opinion? Where is 70-80? This is 80. This is 70, probably around here. Um, yeah, I think it's possible to break 70. I would just play with caution. The only confident trades I have really are this lower bound or this upper bound. That's about it. These two red lines are the most optimal trades I can signal for you guys. They're literally marked with a different color arrow, so you know what options to take or what type of options to take. And there's, you know, I think it's pretty self-explanatory, but. Mm-mm-mm. 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 I'm gonna end stream soon. I've been on for like an hour and a half. Thank you guys for joining in, by the way. I gotta work on this code for you guys, and then I'll try to get it up as fast as possible. Thanks for what you do for the training community. Have a good rest of your day. You too, man. Have a good day. Have a good day. No problem, guys. I appreciate it. I got dark circles in my eyes, and I don't even have kids. All right, guys. Everyone have a good day. Oh, Gio, do you write algorithms? Yes, I do. That's like my main job at Traderlink. Not, I kind of like, I write like the idea for it and shit, but then I kind of send it off to Mitchell and he fucking plugs that bitch in, makes it work with our data and stuff. But I kind of get the like basis of it, I guess. It's all a team effort, man. But yeah, I write algorithms on my own time. I have like 10. How do you handle chop when you're in a trade? I buy in the money. To avoid chop, I buy in the money contracts. Or next date contracts, and I just fucking shut my phone off. Or I just don't trade at all. Three options. Sometimes I just like to be in like an option contract though. You know that feeling where like you just fucking have no clue where the market's going. You're like, I want to be in an option contract. In that case, I'll buy both sides, and I'll buy both sides in the money. I like them candle colors. USC, I didn't go to school, but uh yeah, I just like the colors. I think I changed it around Christmas time and I just never changed back. Ugh. My legs hurt, bro. All right, ending stream here, guys. Everyone have a good rest of your day. Um, don't get caught in the chop. Don't fucking. I'll be on tomorrow. Sheen's streaming on Thursday though. I got somewhere to be, so Sheen's taking over for Thursday. Everyone have a